Spend a few moments getting a feel for the wave's timing, figuring out where they break. You'll want to be waiting just outside that point, so that as you start swimming, the wave reaches you just before it breaks. That yes moment comes when you actually surf the wave rather than simply flounder your way through the movements. Aim downward. This changes your center of balance and allows gravity to push you down the wave face. Avoid heading straight at the beach. Think like a real surfer.